So the strange sound is back. The kind of dial-up modem sound. It's very faint at the moment. I'm going to turn my speaker up. So you might have to turn your speaker up to hear it. Definitely sounds like bits of information, and it started up when I started YouTube up again, but it's not the water sound. The water sound came back and it stopped when I stopped the video I was playing, and then I went to the PewDiePie channel just because it's like a reasonably safe environment to show you on YouTube, and it came back again. The dial-up kind of sound came back again. Right, now it just affected the volume bar and it's gone back to a water sound again. Very weird. That's in the background while I'm on YouTube. Turning up the front slider, front volume slider, seems to offset the sound a bit, so I'm wondering if it's feedback. Possibly because I've got my headphones plugged into the front speaker jack. If I turn this one down, so the wave volume, which does affect the volume of the videos I play, is not affecting it at all. I've just adjusted the master volume. Get my bloody finger out of the way. And the dial-up sounds come back. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to play a video and see what happens if it's on the background or on the video, if it changes or stops. But if I close the YouTube tab, it's still going. No, it stopped about 20 seconds later. It's definitely something to do with YouTube, because my web browser's open and the sound has stopped. And now my phone stopped responding and I can't stop the video recording. So whether or not you get to see this part of the video, we shall see. Whether it's recording or just my phone has crashed and it's just the time.